Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on.
Hey y'all, so I have been gone for a minute, but I am back at it with another video. Basically in this video I'm just going to be showing y'all how I do my ombre locks. This is my client. I washed and I blow dried her hair out. As you see, she has very thick and long, and she got a lot of hair, y'all. And yeah, but she didn't want anything. She just like really likes to come and get her hair protected, and she really didn't want like any neat parts or anything, so I ended up doing natural parts on her. And also too, I don't know if you're a stylist or not, but my client has a moving scalp. And if you know what a moving scalp is, it's basically like when you parting the hair, and like as you parting, like the scalp moves. And sometimes for me, when I have to do like clients with a moving scalp, it is a bit of a challenge, but we got through it. So basically right here, I am just I'm braiding her hair, and I'm about to add in the goddess ends. I use the deep wave FreeTress hair, and you get that from any beauty supply store, or you can check out my Amazon store, and you can also get it from there as well.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, you're so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, baby, on. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around.
Once I got done braiding and parting her hair, I just like to put my client's hair into 3 sections. So that's the 2 little space buns in the front, and then I also like to make like a little space bun in the back. And then I'm just going to start from the back, and then some of this video is sped up, y'all, but when I get into the ombre part, which is what I came here to show y'all, basically when you're ombreing, I'm going to show y'all 3 ways to ombre. So as y'all are watching, make sure y'all are listening to me. So the first way that I'm showing y'all how to ombre basically is I'm getting my black hair. Oh yeah, that's another thing. I use black, the color number 4, and the color 27, and at the ends I use the color 30. because she also liked the color 30 as well. So first I'm using black, and I asked my client about how much black in number 4 do they want, because some clients, they don't like a lot of color, so they may want more of the darker color than the lighter color. And so basically when you're doing ombre, you want to make sure that you have a smooth transition and that it looks like that faded effect. And so one way is me having this crochet needle and I'm taking it through, and this can take time when you have to keep picking up the crochet needle and feeding in hair. But if you're somebody that's just starting off doing ombre locks, I will recommend that you do this method. And then right here, I'm basically doing the same thing. I'm going in with my crochet hook, but once I start, instead of me pulling a whole string of the spring twist hair, I cut off a small little piece, and you want it to be thin as possible. And basically I wrap that thin piece around the black hair, and then when I'm done with the color 4, I grab a small piece of the 27 and I wrap a very small piece around the color number 4. I hope that makes sense. And then when y'all watch me do the third braid, I don't use a crochet hook at all. I just wrap, and I make sure that I tie my little knots and that they are tight as possible. Because one thing about ombre, I don't know why, but sometimes if you ombre, you don't tie your knots, or you're not ombreing and it's not tight enough, the lock will slip. And that's what you don't want. So that's why I said if you're just starting out, you probably want to use the crochet needle, because the crochet needle is going to give you a more secured lock versus you kind of just trying to ombre and wrap on top of the hair. But I've been doing these for a minute, but I'm just letting y'all know that in advance.
Then dip me underway. Fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby,
So y'all know I don't really like to talk a lot in my videos, but I do have to come to y'all with a motivational speech. But first, I do want to remind y'all that this is YouTube. So if there is something that you don't get, you can rewind it. And I think it's also an option where you can like slow it down even slower. And I think you could pinch it to like zoom in. So don't forget, y'all can watch it as many times as y'all need to. But my motivational little speech, little talk today is still don't give up on yourself or your business, whatever kind of business that you have, even if it's not hair. I know right now, like, we are in a pandemic, and a lot of entrepreneurs, especially myself and people that I also know, like, this is a trying time, a hard time, because it's like you don't know, like, if you're gonna get sick or if your clients are gonna get sick and you have to reschedule your clients, or you just have to start working completely, like. And then if you have kids, like, your kids probably can't go to school. So these are kind of rough times, but I just want to tell y'all just to stay motivated and always put God first, and know that He will have you if nothing else has you in this world, and to put all your worries into Him, and to keep praying and be grateful and thankful for the clients that you do have. And I just pray over everybody's health and their strength in this trying time, and that we all get through this pandemic. But that's all that I have to pretty say. Oh yeah, amen. But that's all I have to pretty much say in this video, y'all. If y'all have questions, y'all know that y'all can comment down below. Or you can follow me on Instagram. You can kind of talk to me on Instagram too, if I don't get back to you fast enough on YouTube. Also, check out my Amazon store. Y'all could go there and buy like the hair that I use and stuff like that. But once again, thanks again for watching, y'all. And until next time, peace.
You